Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NCERT Maths with Bardeep. Today we are continuing our exercise number 2.4 of chapter 2, that is linear equations in one variable. So let's see our question. First of all, this is a very important type of question. This type of question will come in grade 10th also. So let's be prepared for solving this type of question. It is sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So what is the two-digit number? So now let's first see how to solve this type of question. Let us suppose I have taken one number as 42, or I can say that let's see that sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 6. So I have taken tens position as 4. Then what should be the digit at ones place? It should be 6 minus 4 as 2. Or whatever the number is, it should add up to 6. So in your lower grades, you have done this, how to expand this number. So it should be like 4 should be multiplied by 10 because it is at tens place. So it should be multiplied with 10. And 2 should be multiplied with 1. If I interchange the numbers, that means 4 is to be shifted at ones place and 2 is to be shifted at tens place. So what should be my number? 24. After interchanging, I will get this number as 24. So interchanged number is 24. Just switch the digits. Next is how to write this number in expanded form again. So whatever the digit is at tens place, that should be multiplied by 10, and whatever the digit is at ones place, we will multiply that number with 1. So this is how we will write the numbers in this case. Okay. So our question is, we have sum of the digits as 9. If I assume any one number whether at ones place or tens place as x, then what should be the digit at next place? It should be 9 minus x because total sum should be 9. So let us assume, suppose I am taking ones digit as x, then what should be my tens digit? Tens digit should be 9 minus x. And in expanded form, how will I write this? This should be 9 minus x multiplied by 10 and x into 1. Okay. Since 9 minus x is at tens place, it should be multiplied with 10, and x at ones place, it should be multiplied with 1. So again, if I interchange this, what I will get? Interchanging means now x will become tens position and 9 minus x will go to ones position. So it should be x here and 9 minus x on this side. So again, when we expand this, x should be multiplied with 10 and 9 minus x should be multiplied with 1. I hope till here this is clear. So whatever digits we have assumed, whenever we have to write in expanded form, tens position should be multiplied with 10 and ones position should be multiplied with 1. So now let's come here. I have taken x at ones position. So the digit at ones place is the digit at ones place. This is equal to x. Therefore, the digit at tens place. So tens place should be 9 minus x. So what is my number? Original number. Original number is, because we cannot write 42 as x and 9 minus x, we will write this in the expanded form. So this part, this is 9 minus x multiplied by 10 plus x multiplied by 1. So let's solve this. 9 into 10 as, this should be 9 into 10, x into 10, this is 10 into x, and then x into 1 as x. Right. So what I will get, 9 into 10 as 90, 10x plus x. So this is 90 minus 9x. Correct? So what is my interchanged number? Once we will reverse the number, what I should get? This is this part. So x into 10 plus 9 minus x into 1. So let's solve this. 10 into x as 10x. So this is 1. We can ignore this. This is 9 minus x. So 10x minus x is 9x plus 9. So this is my reversed number and this is my original number. So now let's come back to the question. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number, so this is my new number, is greater than the original number by 27. Okay. So what is my interchanged number? Therefore 9x plus 9. This number is greater than the original number. Original number is 90 minus 9x by 27. Okay, so that means it is exceeding the original number by 27. So I have added 27 to this part. So let's solve this. This is 9x plus 9. This 9x will come to this side. So it will be plus 9x is equal to 90 plus 27. Okay. So now we have 9 and 9 as 18x plus 9 is equal to what is 90 and 27? This will be 170. So let's shift this 9 to other part. We will have 18x is equal to 117 minus 9. So what is 117 minus 9? This will be 18x is equal to 108. So what is x then? Okay, so what is x? If I cancel this will be 54 and 6. So that means x I get as 6. So the digit at 1's place is x. So what is the digit at 10's place? That is 9 minus x. So 9 minus x, 6 is 3. So we will write, therefore, digit at 1's place. So 1's place is x. X is 6. Okay. So therefore digit at 10's place. 10's place is 9 minus x. So this is 9 minus 6 is 3. Correct? So what is my number? Because they have asked us what is the 2-digit number. Therefore original number is, 2-digit number is, so what is the number? Original number 90 minus 9x. So 90 minus 9 times x. So this is 90 minus 9 into 6. Okay. So 90 minus 54. So we will get 36 as our original number. I hope this question is clear. So now let's move on to the next question. So let's see our fourth question of the exercise. This is one of the 2 digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Okay. If you interchange the digits of this 2-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you will get 88. So what is the original number? Since this question is similar to question number 3, that is why I have included this question in this video itself. So let's see. We will assume our number and then interchange the digits. So one of the 2 digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Suppose I am taking 1's digit as x, then what should be the digit at 10's place? 3 times x. So this is 3x. Okay. So how to get this number? 3x multiplied by 10 and x multiplied by 1. Okay. So we will get, this is our original number. So let's see the interchanged one. Now x will be at 10's place and 3x will be at 1's place. So what should be my number then? x should be multiplied with 10 and 3x should be multiplied with 1. So now let's write our question. So let's see that I have assumed x at 1's digit. So I will write let the digit at 1's place. Let this be x. Okay. So therefore the digit at 10's place, this will be 3x. So what is our original number? So original number means 10's place should be multiplied with 10 and 1's place should be multiplied with 1. So 3x into 10 is 30x plus x. So I will get 31x. Correct? So after interchanging, what is given? There is interchange the digits. Therefore, interchanged number is equal to. So we have x at 10's place and 3x at 1's place. So this is x into 10 plus 3x into 1. Okay, x into 10 is 10x and 3x. So I will get 13x. So now what is the condition when we add these numbers? That is, if you interchange the digits of this 2-digit number, that is our interchanged number, and add the resulting number to the original number, means these two should be added, right? You get 88. That means sum of these two numbers will be 88. So let's write, therefore 31x plus 13x is equal to 88. So 31 plus 13 is 44x. This is 88. So what is x then? 88 divided by 44. So this is 2. So the digit at 1's place is 2. So therefore what is the digit at 10's place? Therefore digit at 1's place, this is 2, and digit at 10's place, this is 3x. So that means 3 into 2 as 6. So what should be my number then? Therefore original number is, either you put value in this, that is 31 into 2, this is 31x, so 31 into 2 as 62, right? Or you can directly write it like this. So what is our 1's place? This is 2 and 6 at 10's place. So you will get the same answer. So our answer is, original number is 62. I hope this question is also clear. So this is all about this video. See you in my next video with the remaining questions of this exercise. Thank you.